Another driveway by Crown Construction. This is what it looks like. We just finished the removal. As you can see, all the asphalt is here. And again, just zooming in, really long driveway. And this is what it looks like. Okay, here we go. We're ready for the actual concrete. Forms rebar has been set in. This is what it looks like. A little bit close up. Long driveway. We're just waiting for the cement truck. Alright, pouring concrete. Here's the pump. We got the cement truck. And we're gonna walk the job right now. This is what it looks like. Here we go, floating the surface. This is what it looks like.
Una vez Picurito nos llegó a las 6 al jale, güey. Y el cemento estaba a las 2 de la tarde. Y se nos dieron un pinche cajete y un árbol.
Just a beautiful driveway.
Y ya cuando despertó, güey, ya estaba el cemento allí. Llegamos todos y no había bajado flota, no había bajado.
Here we go, just finishing the driveway, floating everything in place. Then we're gonna do the boom finish and we'll be done.